One of the things that I think has been challenging in medical conferences is that the lectures have gotten shorter and shorter. Then there's a lot of meetings you don't have time to have the discussion. So it's so important that as colleagues and doctors, we're able to talk it out and ask each other and challenge the status quo of what we're doing, why we're doing it, and where we're going in the future.
I'm also looking forward to having the live injections because that's a huge part of why I brought not only myself, but other providers in my practice, and we always learn a lot at those.
The meeting is fabulous, the time flies by, and at the end of the day, you get with these wonderful colleagues and just relax. It kind of carries over the whole sentiment of the meeting.
There are a lot of questions that you have whenever you're just finishing up residency. You don't know exactly where or how you should start getting into aesthetics. And it's nice to come here where so many people who have been out a few years and so many have been out many years can sort of answer questions and guide you in the right direction.
It's such a great collaboration of great minds who think alike, who are willing to share ideas and kind of be mentors to young practices like our own.
As a private practitioner running a practice, I know how valuable business information is. Not only getting it, but sharing and talking to colleagues who are running their practices also to get feedback on things like credit cards and how much you should be paying and what you should be looking for, or social media and what's the best way to approach improving your social media, or even things on bonusing staff or what special things we do for staff to make them, more valuable to our practice. So I always come away with great pearls from this meeting.